Hey, what's up, gang? This is a super common problem, comes up in exams all the time. Students always get it wrong. And this, hopefully, after you watch this video, it'll be a GPA booster for you on your midterm or final exam and things like that. So let's jump into it. So how many ways can the letters of permutation, and this could be any word that they give you, be arranged if the T's are never together? Well, permutation has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 letters. There's 11 letters. So the number of permutations possible is 11 factorial. Like if we have, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, say 11 spots here. For this first spot, we have a choice of 11 letters. After we've chosen one, we have 10 letters to choose from, then 9 to choose from, then 8, then 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And if you multiply that all together, that's the number of permutations of 11 letters, which is 11 factorial here. 11 times 10 times 9 times 8. But we have two T's that are the same. And if we swap these T's, we don't have another permutation because it's still the same word, permutation, if we swap the T's. So there's redundancy. If we have a T here, we could swap the T's wherever the other one is, and we haven't changed anything. So the number of permutations for permutation has to be 11 factorial divided by the redundancy of the T's. Now there's two of them, so it'd be 2 factorial. 2 factorial, yeah. If we also had 2 E's or some other ones, we would also divide that by however many there were, 2 E's, 2 factorial, or 3 factorial if there's 3 E's, things like that. So this equals the number of permutations in the word. In the word. Permutation. Now these are all the permutations, whether the T's are together or not. So if we want to know how many there are, how many permutations in which the T's are never together, it's actually simpler to look at how many permutations there are if the T's are together. And that's the trick. So check this out. So if we write out permutation, and I'm going to write the T's at the end. T's at the end. If the T's are always together, we can treat these as one letter, right? This is because these are always together. It's just like moving around as one letter. So effectively, it's like we have 10 letters. And the number of permutations will be 10 factorial. So we have 10 factorial permutations of if the T's are always together. Well, if we want to know how many are never together, then we just say, so we'll say the number that are never together equals the total number of permutations. I'll just say total permutations, minus the together permutations, the total number of permutations in which they are together. Okay, so the total permutations is 11 factorial over 2 factorial, and the number that are total together is 10 factorial, and that's your answer. Now, this could be super stressful, but on your calculator, at least on mine, it should, if you have a scientific calculator, should have an exclamation mark, and I apologize if this is too small for you to see here. There's a button with, it says X exclamation. So to type this in, I do 11 exclamation divided by 2 exclamation minus 10 exclamation. And we got big number, but it's right. So 16,329, 600, 16,329, is it 300? 600, 600. Different permutations possible. All right, everyone. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like the video if you got some value, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, I also made another problem on combinations of one of the biggest mistakes that students make. So check that out. It's in the description. All right. Cheers.